I think it's time to do some wrenching.
Okay, what we got here is a check engine light. So let's check the code reader. Okay, we got a P1401. That's Delta Pressure Feedback EGR, DPFE. Okay, and I'm pretty sure that's what's wrong with it. It needs a new sensor. The one that's in there is a real old one. It's the original metal ones. So I'm pretty sure it's gone. A couple weeks ago, I had a P1405, I think it was, and a hose came off of it. But this is different. This is I'm pretty sure the sensor's shot on this. So we'll replace the sensor, and I got one right here. Motorcraft. There's a number on it. I'll link it down below anyways. But this is the baby. And I also bought some hoses. These are Gates hoses, because when that hose fell off a couple weeks ago, I mean, it's loose on there, and they're old and frayed and stuff, so I figure it's time for some new hoses. These look nice. I'm going to erase the code, and then I'll show you how it comes right back. So I got to hit exit, erase codes, and you can see it right up there in the corner that's lit. I'll hit enter, and it says yes. I'll hit enter again. Okay, light went out. Now, it ain't doing nothing right now. It's not going on. I'll rev it up. If I shut it off, restart it, it should come on pretty soon. There it goes, see? There, it went right on. So I'm pretty sure it's a sensor. Well, let's go under the hood and check it out.
On this engine, the sensor is right here. It's the old metal version. They make them out of plastic now. Let me set you up here. Okay. First thing I'll do is take this electrical connector off. Come off pretty easy. I'm going to spray that with some cleaner. Do a quick spray. It'll dry up by the time we're done with this. Okay, so these are 7 millimeters. Out. I don't want to drop them. Okay. Take these hoses off. And this back one here was the one that fell off a couple weeks ago. There's not much here to grab onto. You know, I don't think I'm going to like these hoses. It seemed awful cheap. I might have to get something else, but for now I'll put these on. I'll take the old ones off. I mean, look at the difference here. I don't know. Cheap and they're long. Actually, you got to cut this down to length, probably about to. They were kind of short anyway, so probably cut it here. Cut it right here. So it's a little longer than it was. And this one. This is the one that came off before. You can see the holes are probably kind of stretched out, so they're not holding too good. Alright, let's see if I can get these on. This is going to be tricky. Probably. Yeah, they're going on. Actually went on easier than I thought. Okay, and this other one, you can see the length. It's a little bit longer. I think I'll cut it right about there. They're cheap hoses. I mean, you can cut them with scissors like nothing. And this one's going to be harder to get on. It's at an angle. Wow. Damn. Okay. Alright, put this way. What I'll do is I'll put these on before I screw it in, it'll be easier. So this is the fatter one. They barely fit on. There, jeez, wow, it's hard. He barely go on. He's okay. Get this other one on. There, it's going. Looks good. That looks good. That looks good. Let's put the screws in. Get the easier one first. Ooh, I'll put it on like this. There you go. Just snug these up. It's only plastic, so you don't have to go much on these, otherwise they break. Okay. Hold down like that. Perfect. Put that back in. Click. Alright. She's all set. I'll start it up and see what happens.
Still got the check engine light and we got the code. So let's erase it. We'll hit exit. Exit. Scroll down to erase. Enter. Yes, and it should go out. Okay, it's out. Rev it up a little bit. Shut it off. Try starting it again. It's not coming back on. Try it again. Start it up again. Oh, that's what it was. It was that sensor. So if you got a Ford Explorer, or probably a lot of Fords, and you get that code, and you know you got an old sensor in there, that's probably what it is. Hey, if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Take care.